Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to Skin Talk with Bookie, where I talk all things aging skin, glow, and confidence for women of color. If you have ever looked in the mirror and noticed your face looking a bit darker than your neck or your body, especially as your skin matures, yes, this video is for you. Today, I'll be sharing how to even out darker facial skin when you have dry, most especially, please, when you have dry, melanin-rich aging skin. Together with affordable products, recommendations you can start using right now. But before I start, my besties, kindly pardon me. I would like to acknowledge one of my subscribers at Ariet Key 3578. Yes, this video is dedicated to you. She specifically asked me to talk about this video I'm about to share with everyone. So apart from Ariet Key 3578, I want to believe there's someone out there to which this video will be of blessing to. 3578. I hope you find this video helpful. Let me know in the comment section if this has been of great help to you. You know I'll always be there for you guys. That is why I encourage you to always comment. And if you have any skin issues, concern that you've been working on and nothing seems to work, right? You can always comment to me. I'm here for you guys. It's all because of you guys I'm here. I will take it up. Whatever you want me to come up to discuss, I will definitely at your service. Now, why your skin looks darker? Why does it look darker than the other part of your body? Let's first understand why this happens, besties. As we age, our skin slows down in cell renewal and produces less oil. So that's why it's dry. So for dry, melanin-rich skin, this can lead to dullness, darkness, and uneven skin tone. And years of sun exposure, hormonal changes, or past inflammation from acne. This can result in hyperpigmentation or a darker facial tone. Sometimes harsh exfoliants or bleaching creams can make it worse by disrupting your skin barrier. So the secret to evening your skin tone isn't to bleach your skin. Note that, besties. It is not for you to bleach your skin, but rather it's to restore balance, hydration, and uniform cell turnover. So this should be your primary main goal. Hydration, improving your cell turnover because your cell turnover reduces as we age. Hydration also drop as we age, right? We tend to lose more moisture from the surface of our skin easily. So that's why our skin tends towards dry skin. Okay? So please, when you notice that your face is darker, looking darker than your neck, the aim is not for you to go grab a bleaching cream to want to even out. No, you are doing more harm than good. Your skin barrier will be disrupted and leading to more darkening of the skin. So like I said, the aim is to restore balance, improve hydration, and also increase cell turnover. In doing so, you need key steps in your daily skincare routine. This routine I'm about to craft for you would help you even out your darkest facial skin so that you have a uniform skin complexion. Step one of the routine is to cleanse gently. By doing this, you want to start with a gentle, hydrating cleanser that won't strip your natural oils. When your skin is dry, harsh soaps can worsen uneven tone. So here are two great affordable options for you. One is the CeraVe Hydrating Cream to Foam Cleanser. The word there is cream to foam cleanser. This would help cleanse while protecting your skin barrier with ceramides. Okay, so that's one amazing cleanser you can get for your dry skin. Okay, or you go for the simple hydrating face wash, perfect for sensitive skin. It cleanses your face, okay, perfectly well. So cleanse your face twice, that is morning and night, and always use a lukewarm water, not hot, because heat dehydrates aging skin further. So please don't use hot water to rinse your face. Use lukewarm or tepid water. Okay? These are the temperature. This should be the temperature of the water you use to rinse your face for dry skin. This is basically for dry skin, aging, melanin-rich aging skin. Your step 2 is treats. The primary aim of this step 2 is to brighten and even out your skin tone. Now, this is the stage where you correct the darker tone. Okay, so for dry, aging, melanin-rich skin, look for ingredients like niacinamide, alpha-arbutin, vitamin C, and tranexamic acid. All these actives, they tend to help brighten without bleaching or irritating your skin barrier. Here are some affordable, effective products containing any of these actives. One is the Good Molecules Discoloration Correcting Serum. This helps to target dark patches with niacinamide and licorice root extracts. Another one is the Ordinary Ascorbyl Glucoside Solution 12%. This is a stable vitamin C derivative that brightens and firms the skin. You could go for that. Another recommendation here is the Skin 1004 Brightening Ampoule. Combines niacinamide, tranexamic acid, and soothing hydration. Best is apply any of the serums, just one of the serums. You don't need to get all the serums I mean, just anyone you can get wherever you are in the world. Apply one serum. No need to mix too many actives, please. Use it once daily at first, then twice a day if your skin tolerates it. What I usually recommend for most of my clients and my viewers, for those who have been following my videos, when you're just starting out with new actives such as niacinamide or vitamin C serums, okay, start by using it once daily, preferably at night. Kindly use it only at night for the first 2 weeks. After the 2 weeks, you would have given your skin enough time to accommodate the new actives, okay? Then you can now gradually include the morning use, bringing it to 2 times daily, all right? That's how you start with new actives, please. Don't rush the skin. Step 3 of your routine, the primary aim of this step is to moisturize and repair. Please take note. When skin is dry and mature, hydration is non-negotiable, if I don't want to joke with that. A rich moisturizer will seal in your actives and restore your barrier. All those actives from your treatment serum, when you follow it with a good moisturizer, it will help seal up those actives, either the niacinamide or the vitamin C serum that you decide to use. When you seal it up with a good moisturizer, just locks it in and everything begins to work on your skin. You could try CeraVe moisturizing cream for your moisturizer. This is packed with ceramides and hyaluronic acid. 2, you could go for the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel Cream. This is for extra dry skin. If your skin is extremely dry, please, I would recommend this particular product. It is lightweight yet deeply hydrates your skin. Massage your moisturizer into damp skin, please. This would help lock in moisture. I always tell people this. Don't moisturize when your skin is perfectly dry. Immediately you have towel dried your skin surface, the skin is still damp at that moment. That is when you need to moisturize. That way you'll be able to seal in moisture perfectly well for deep, intense hydration. Hydration is non-negotiable as we age. We need to focus more on hydration. So that is one trick of how to seal in moisture for deep, intense hydration for my extremely dry, melanin-rich skin bestie. The fourth step in your routine here, the primary aim is to what? Protect every morning. We all know where I'm going here. This has to do with your sunscreen. Here is a step that truly prevents your face from getting darker again. The use of sunscreen. Even the best brightening serum won't work if you skip your sunscreen. Choose a sunscreen that doesn't leave a white cast on darker skin tone, like the Black Girl Sunscreen SPF 50, the hybrid. That is perfectly well because it's tinted. It suits melanin-rich skin better. You could also go for the La Roche-Posay Anthelios Melt-In Milk SPF 60. These are amazing choices of sunscreen for women of color. I have a video on the best anti-aging mineral sunscreen for women of color for melanin-rich aging skin. I've listed a lot of sunscreen there. You could also lay on that video for you to have various options wherever you are in the world. If you can't get this one I just mentioned, there are other ones you could also check out in that video to help to guide you through the best sunscreen. Please do not compromise on sunscreen. It might be pricey, not it might, they are pricey, good ones are pricey, and you don't want to cut corners with sunscreen, because if you buy cheap sunscreen, you are wasting all your efforts. Like I said, even the best brightening serum, that's your treatment serum, your step 2 in your routine, if you use it and you skip sunscreen, or you get cheap sunscreen, or you get sunscreen that doesn't deliver the job, if you don't get any one of the ones I've recommended here, you are not doing any good. You wouldn't see that result. The more you only continue to see that darker face, you just find out that nothing is improving, nothing is working. That might even bring the cost of some of us. For those who have darker facial skin tone, different from the neck or the body, and you've used all sort of products, and it's as if skin is just getting worse. It could be your sunscreen. What kind of sunscreen are you using? Or you are not even using sunscreen at all. You are not helping the skin. The skin won't bounce back. You won't have that even skin tone. So please, any of this sunscreen I recommend, I took my time out in that particular video to source sunscreen that suits us. We melanin-rich skin. We don't want to wear a sunscreen and we are looking like a ghost, like leaves white cast. I can't even tolerate that. The best sunscreen for us are either the tinted ones. They just melt into our skin and blends well with our melanin. So you need to really take cautious efforts to get the best sunscreen. If you look for that video on best mineral sunscreen for melanin rich aging skin, you have about other 3 or more options to explore. Apply it every morning, even indoors. Visible light can darken hyperpigmentation. So it's not only when you are setting out of the house that you remember I need to apply my sunscreen. Now we know when we are even indoors, visible light, UV rays and UVB rays from the sun still penetrates through our curtains and have effects on our skin even while we are indoors. You find out some people said, I don't really go out. So why do I have hyperpigmentation? I don't even go, why is my face darker than my neck? Why is it darker than the other part of my body? I don't go out. You are forgetting to note that even our windows, UV rays generally, both UVA and UVB, penetrate through our windows, our curtains, and pull effects on our skin. So while you are indoors, please apply your sunscreen. And don't go to bed without washing off your sunscreen, please. That also makes your skin darker. You don't go to bed with wearing your sunscreen. Please take note of that, besties. So that's about it for your morning routine that I've carefully crafted for you. There are about 4. Now, for your night routine, you are going to be using the same product so that you are not spending too much. So for your night routine, you're going to use some of the product again at night. So for instance, your cleanser, of course, you use it at night to cleanse your face. Now, you need to incorporate exfoliation. When you exfoliate, you need to treat after exfoliating. And use your treatment serum, either vitamin C serum or niacinamide serum. Whichever one you decide to get for yourself for the morning routine. If it's niacinamide serum, it is okay to use niacinamide serum twice daily. So after you have exfoliated, you apply your niacinamide serum. In fact, niacinamide serum is the best serum to pair with exfoliant. And you are not exfoliating every day of the week, every night of the week. You can only exfoliate 2 to 3 times a week. The nights you are not exfoliating, that means you will cleanse. After cleansing, you treat. That is, you go back to your niacinamide serum you use in the morning for your treatment. And after treatment, you moisturize to seal up the goodness of the serum. So you use your face moisturizer. That same moisturizer you use in the morning, you can use it at night. And you go to bed. So about 3, that is the nights you are not exfoliating. But the nights that you are exfoliating, it comes to about 4 steps. After you cleanse, you exfoliate. When you exfoliate, okay, you treat using your treatment serum. It has to do with niacinamide serum, and then you moisturize to seal up the goodness of the serum, and also to seal up moisture to strengthen your skin barrier. Now, if it is vitamin C serum that you got for yourself as your treatment serum in the morning, at night you can't use vitamin C serum twice daily. You only use once a day. So if you choose to use it in the morning, that means at night when you need to, after cleansing, the day you don't exfoliate, okay, and you only have vitamin C serum, please, vitamin C serum is not a good pair with exfoliant. So you don't use vitamin C serum. you use your niacinamide serum. In this case, for your night routine, that means if you have gotten yourself just vitamin C serum in the morning, please try and get niacinamide serum. You will need it for your night routine. And if you have both, if you get yourself vitamin C serum and niacinamide serum, you can actually use both together in the morning, only allowed in the morning. So this is how it goes if you are using both niacinamide and vitamin C serum. After you've cleansed, so I'm going back to your morning routine. After you have cleansed your face, the first thing you apply on dry face, please make sure your face is completely dry. You apply your vitamin C serum first. After you apply your vitamin C serum first, you follow it with niacinamide serum. After niacinamide serum, you now apply your moisturizer, then your sunscreen. But if you can, if that is too overwhelming, because that's about 5 steps, just pick one of the serum. So I would recommend you use vitamin C serum in the morning, while your niacinamide serum, reserve it for your nighttime use. It pairs well with exfoliant. The day you exfoliate, you are good to go with niacinamide serum. Even the nights you are not exfoliating, you are also good to use niacinamide serum. Except for vitamin C, you can only use vitamin C serum just once a day. Either you choose to use it in the morning or you choose to use it at night. But please, if you choose to use your vitamin C serum at night, remember, the night you exfoliate, don't apply vitamin C serum. Skip vitamin C serum. If you don't have niacinamide serum, fine, it's okay. The day you exfoliate, then moisturize. Okay? In fact, sometimes I tell my clients the best thing to do after exfoliating is to hydrate really well. You can incorporate hyaluronic acid when you exfoliate. If you don't have niacinamide serum, you can use your hyaluronic acid serum. In fact, if you don't even want to use hyaluronic acid serum, if you are trying to be budget to cut spending too much on your skincare product, you remember that moisturizer I recommended to CeraVe, and I also recommended the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel. That particular Hydro Boost Gel is rich in hyaluronic acid, so it's a good moisturizer the day you exfoliate and you don't have niacinamide serum. Just apply that Neutrogena Hydro Boost gel. It helps nourish and hydrate your skin perfectly well, and then you go to bed. Did you get that? Please let me know if you do in the comment section. It's not complicated. So that's for your night routine. All right, now this is a bonus pro tips for you besties. Exfoliate gently 2 to 3 times a week with a mild alpha hydroxy acid, AHA for short, or lactic acid. It removes dead cells for an even skin tone. And then stay hydrated inside out. Aging skin needs moisture to look radiant. Please take a lot of water during the day. Hydrate and hydrate over and over again. Then eat antioxidant rich foods like berries, carrots, and avocados. You also need to boost skin repair naturally. They boost skin repair, all those berries boost skin repair naturally. Then be patient, please. Be patient and consistent, because results often take about 4 to 8 weeks for you to start seeing amazing results on your skin. So don't be in a hurry, please. Don't say because you have started a routine, under 1 week you are not seeing results. Give it some time. 4 to 8 weeks, then you can make a conclusion on that particular routine I've crafted for you, if it's working or not. So please be patient and be consistent with the use. Follow through the routine I've crafted for you and just be patient. Exfoliate when you need to exfoliate. Apply your product accordingly, like the way I crafted it. Follow it gradually and wait to see the result after 8 weeks. But I trust, bet you will come back to tell me thank you for this particular video. So if you have been struggling with a darker face, now you know it's not about bleaching, but rather it's about restoring your skin's natural balance and barrier. Brighten and gently protect, and your glow will return with consistency. There's no doubt about that. If you have found this helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and share this with another beautiful woman of color who deserves to feel radiant and confident in her skin. And as always, remember, your skin tells your story. So let's make it agelessly beautiful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.